everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain how to create a top n values chart in Tableau. We're using Tableau Public here. So the data which we're going to use is 1 GB mobile data from Makeover Monday's website. I'll share the link with you in the description below so you can access it from there. As you can see, I've imported the mobile data into Tableau and we have two measures here, rank and average price of 1 GB in US dollars. One dimension we have, which is country. Measures are essentially quantitative values, something which can be calculated and gauged in Tableau, whereas dimensions are more qualitative in nature. We'll see when we start creating the chart that as soon as you move the measure to the view, it automatically applies an aggregation on it. Let's start creating the top 10 chart showing the most expensive countries in the world in terms of the average price of 1 GB of mobile data. We've already moved our metric to the view. Let's take the country dimension as well. How do we decide which variable from the left hand side has to be moved to columns or rows? It depends on whether you want to see your measure along the horizontal axis as in this chart or the vertical axis. As soon as we drop the measure average price to columns here, Tableau creates this horizontal axis for it. So in this case, country is a row header and therefore it's put in rows. If you want to keep country as a column header, then you can move it to columns and drag the metric average price to rows. As this is not a very convenient form to view the top 10 most expensive nations, we chose the previous setting. It's easier to see which country is the 5th most expensive nation, and you can easily see the corresponding values as well. That's why we have chosen this setting. Now we'll sort the country variable in descending order by average price of 1 GB. We'll sort by field descending. Let's apply a filter on country, which will enable us to just view the top 10 most expensive nations. We'll drag country to filters. We'll choose the top tab by field. We'll keep it as top 10 by average price of 1 GB US dollars. We'll click on apply to get a preview of it. Click on OK. The top 10 by field filter only works when we are creating very basic charts with a single dimension only. Let's add a heading. We'll double click on the heading. Click on apply to get a preview and then click on OK. Let's label these bars with corresponding average price. So move average price from left hand side to label here. As you can see, the labels have come up on the bars. Let's label the remaining bars, if any left. We'll right click, go to mark label and then click on always show. Let's color these bars according to the average price level for each country. So we'll move average price from left hand side to color. If we want to show labels for each bar corresponding to its country name, we'll move country from left hand side to label here. And similarly, we can do for color with respect to country-wise coloring of the bar chart. We can use a set to get the same chart as before. Click on the drop-down arrow, go to create set, go to top tab. We'll rename this set. We'll need the same values. We'll not change this. Click on OK. We have a new set here and we'll move this to filters. As you can see here, it's exactly the same what we got before. Set is a very useful way to highlight the top 10 values when you also want to display all the given values of the dimension country. For that, you need to remove top 10 countries from filters. and then we'll move top 10 set to color. All the blue values shows the top 10 countries while also displaying all the values of the dimension country. Let's see how to create a top-n chart if we have more than one dimension. I have imported the Superstore data into Tableau. Superstore data usually comes by default when you install Tableau. So you would already have it in your C drive. Let's compare profit across the various product categories we have in the given US cities. Let's move profit to columns, category and city to rows. Select analysis and create calculated field. Let's name this calculation and enter the formula. On the left hand side, we'll right click on index and select convert to discrete. Move index to rows between category and city. On index and rows, click on this arrow, select edit table calculation, select specific dimensions. We'll change restarting every to category. We'll change sort order to custom. We'll choose the metric profit and change this to sum. Now we'll click on index while holding control and move it to filters. We'll click on OK. Now in the filters section, you can click on the arrow and select continuous. You can enter in the values you want for your top n chart. Let's say we put in 10. Click on OK. The index field helps us to create this chart showing the accurate values for top 10 cities within each category. Before presenting the dashboard, we can hide the index header. Simply click on this arrow on index in rows. Select show header. Thank you for watching the video. Please do share any thoughts or questions you have, and I'll do my best to respond to them as soon as possible.